welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. And Marcia is explaining just how and what she did on her trip to Jamaica. Now, she's saying that basically the party that was kept, that she had put that party on, she asked the person that made her gala flyer to make, the flyer for her. And she went to country basically to give her sister the money to, purchase the things that she would need for her party. And so the party was all done by her. However, she's saying that people are saying that her sister was the one who threw the party. And she, basically is explaining that, she's the one who went with the idea, and she's the one who did the party. So go ahead, guys, and go catch the video and hear what Marcy has to say about that. She's also saying that people are saying that she is doing what Donna is doing, and Donna is the last person that she would like to be like. So go ahead, catch the video. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and so when I post, you know about it. For all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, happy birthday. And I wish you the fullness of joy, happiness, peace, love, and excitement throughout this year. And for all my other lovelies, my supporters, my followers, my friends, have yourselves a wonderful one now.
Why would my sister go do that? Go give her free food in a first week in a June? What kind of hypocrisy is that? You tell me now. And no birthday and no anniversary. If I anything big, the whole generation would go down for a foreign. So why my sister would and me keep my things? Send and go buy my things them. Me go a country, drive down and give me sister the money Friday morning. And say go on a Lindsay to go buy up the rest of things them. And me come back and pick up my friend from the airport and check in my hotel, and Saturday me go. What are you talking about? How is it that me no keep nothing? You think say, oh, and then let me address you too. Every time you come up and I call Donna name and I compare. You can't compare Donna to me when it come to traveling. Move your dirty bumbo clot for your ugly boy. In a video come and talk about a Donna, me I try follow. Me I go to Jamaica without telling nobody. Move your dirty pussy clot from here. Before Donna get blood clot visa to come a foreign. Me I go to Jamaica how much years and not tell nobody nothing. Supporters can testify to that blood clot. Me I go to Jamaica and I don't tell nobody say me I catch plane until when me reach there. Before then I get blood clot visa to come to Canada and America. So what the bumbo clot you talk about me I try to be like her. Try to be like what? Then I would be the last blood clot somebody on social media in the world that me bumbo clot Marcia I would love to be like. Me not take back no talk. I uno call up her name and compare. She would be the last person on God creation for me if you try to imitate the girl, imitate the girl, I try to be like her. That ain't nobody for me to be like her. Be like who? Then I not give nothing from her heart. Then I get collection money to give out. When me I do something, give from my heart. Or the bumbo clot you compare my freeness when me give way. And then and you talk about cookout and this. How first that bumbo clot America I do party? How first I do gala? You tell me, name one of the bloggers them, wherever come to gala. Name them. Name a blogger first for do gala. Name that. Name a blogger out there where keep party before me. Who the fuck you think you're talking to? But go sit down. If you not can't call her name in a sentence, you not can't make one proper sentence on social media. Compare to who? Me I go to Jamaica all the time and not tell nobody nothing to when me reach down. Before she get visa. And last year she get bumbo clot visa to come America. Then all the bumbo clot me I follow her, I go down. And because no blood clot they on social media talk bad about me. So you never know, so you get a surprise under on a pussy clot. And that is what no mad about. How no did they talk about me and me never tell no me plan figure yard. But she always talk. She always talk when she do things to come show off. Well, this is not the time to show off. This is the time you pretend and you make sure you get ahead of your enemy them. You don't make your enemy them know whatever. You make sure you get far 10, 100 step against your blood clot enemy. And that's exactly what I do. You go, and say, must think say Marcia idiot. You must think say I could tell us I go to Jamaica, so you can't come set me up. Eh? You must think say I could plan. Me I could talk say me a plan to keep something at Jamaica, so you can't go set me up. You must say blood clot. You must me have to set uno up first. You must think say, and me could have kept at the party there and none of you know nothing if I never come and talk. I could have kept it and come straight up and none of you don't know nothing. Me not act. None of you don't know nothing. So don't come up here come talk about me a follow who? Then I keep party like me, she would never catch my party them none at all. None. Not even a lifetime, Philip, she could never catch him out a party where me keep. I go to Jamaica and don't tell nobody say me I go to Jamaica. But me a follow her and I go down and a surprise. And that too is not love to come on social media, come put down people too much. And that is it. Anything me I give me free, me not walk and sell. Look on one barbecue plate. $60 for one plate of rice and peas. $60 for a piece of chicken. One a bumbo clock idiot. Not even $25 and $30. $60 for name look rice and peas. One you can get one big pot of bumbo clock rice and chicken and piece of fish. $8 a pound. And one pay $6 for fish. One piece of chicken and rice. You know, one plate of vegetable. One say one idiot. Me not sell food, me give away food. I'm mad in a blood clot, mad count one day they drag me down on social media. And me they behind closed door plan for no bumbo clot. I wanna think say Marcia idiot. If you know want things say Marcia blood clot idiot. Me say me come on social media feed no with a whole heap of things and I eat no run with. I eat no run with and I'll use it and say una blackmail me. Una can look like a blood clot idiot. I'm just sitting behind closed door and I just laugh off una nasty bumbo clot. Cause una set up on yourself and that una do you know. Una set up on yourself. That's what you're doing. Setting up on yourself for problems. Me not asking you. Somehow una set up on yourself a big problem. And I'm just behind closed door. Me just waiting. Cause members only. Make them think say Marcia idiot. I will play a fool to catch a ass fool. Don't say nothing, make them go on. As long as me have all them information about them and the address, that is all I need to present to my lawyer. Make them see. Make them see. As long as I get all the information, if them things that people don't know them, they make a sad mistake. So make them stay right there. I will pretend to be the ass fool on social media. Make them think say me a fool and say, oh, she a clown, she a idiot. She come out and come talk her business so because I tell her, go on man, I have more for give you now. I have more for give you now. I have bubble clock more for give you now. See me, I have more for give you now. Me want to keep up that fuckery. Yes, my dear. Me want to sink on yourself deeper. Me want to sink on yourself deeper and deeper and deeper in a pit of hell. I just sit down and watch the salvation. I wait traffic I do about you somehow. Me want to sink on yourself. I know I supporters out there. Me know some of might be impatient. And I say, Marcia, now do this and Marcia, now do that. No worry yourself. God work on his time. No work on man time. I know some might seem frustrating, but sit back and relax. And watch the ride. Don't come back and write and tell me, Marcia, do something about it. God already working on it. God already working on it, child. Surprise them Ross. Oh, it's not, remember, so she said she not give Cocoa Walk people nothing call them ungrateful and this and that. Oh yes, I said so, but this wasn't for Cocoa Walk people. This was for my family. And the people from Cocoa Walk, they were invited. Yes, it says Brown, Taylor and Aman cook out. So it wasn't for Cocoa Walk people. It was my family one. I kept
In 1.5 miles, take the exit toward I-495 South.
Uh-huh. Did it say treats? Did it say treat for kids? Nope, it sure didn't. Did it say that? You see my picture on it? What does it say? What does it say right here? It says Curly. Me put my sister panic because my sister in charge. Curly, aka Claudette, present. Aman Taylor Brown, family. And me put the community cookout. Where it says, huh? Family. Upper top. Where it says upper top. Read it for yourself. Huh? Where it says that? Where it says? Where it says treats. Read it upper top and where it says Aman Taylor Brown, family. Cookout. Where it say that? Huh? Where it say? Did it say treats? And me just add the pictures them to it. And my friend in Brooklyn met that. And my Friars guy in Brooklyn met that. And did an awesome job. We never have no bunks about there. I never have no bunks about. Where? We must put Claudette name on it because she's in charge. She and my sister. She's in charge to make sure say goat get, this get, whatever get. So how is it? How is it that other people make it? All the 30 years of me I got Jamaica make things. Other people make it? Oh, are they money pay for it? Oh. Okay. Credit where credit is due. Big up to the chef them. Big up to Steve and Juke and Cocoa Basic School. I forget her name. Teacher.
In 600 feet, take the exit toward I-495 South.
I mean, they want them to do anything, you know, because me want everybody to just have a wonderful time. Me was hiring a chef a guy from Ochi with him say, love to jerk and say,
Take the exit toward I-495 south, then keep
I am a
right.
sound system all the way from Ochi Rias. Clarity boss. They need to give me a call. I wasn't satisfied. They owe me one other time. Next time, next sound, I Metro Media me I go for.
Keep right.
Next one other big sound me I go for. Next time, we go and plan bigger and better.
Continue for 4 miles.
They want to come. This was just a hurry up. But next time, it's a plan bigger and better. Next time, everybody, big up the members, all of them. Next time, me tell everybody, them now we see, me make a speech, you know. Me make a speech. And because me did the attack, and me forget my nephew. My nephew video some of it. I made a speech, and I make sure some put cocoa walk people them and tell them say any at all. Then come on social media and come talk, come go on. They're not invited to nothing that I kept. I give a long speech. Me even forget say my godfather was there. I mean, even cuss one bad word. And me tell them say the reason why me not come do nothing in a long time is because they come on social media, come dash out house and dash out things. But as I
There
said
are objects on road ahead.
As I said before, I know, you can't take one bad apple and spoil the whole bunch. Good morning. You can't take one bad apple and spoil the whole bunch because it must be some little young one who grew up there when they know me. We understand when they really know me, come take a picture and send come up there. It's none of the old one them. None of the old one them where me know. I must one of the young people them do it. None of the older folks them, so me can't take one apple and spoil the bunch. So when you talk about and me keep nothing. Rust, deer mash up. One big deer in the road. They mash up in a pieces. You can't take one bad apple and spoil the bunch. Yeah, I may give a good speech over a microphone. You will hear it because I wasn't playing. And I make sure I spoke about that. And I said the reason why we not get nothing is because we not come up here. Come on social media, come talk. So them a debate who make. We can't give no comment. We no bumbo clot. We can't give no comment to nothing. That's why we not come a debate who keep it from who not keep it. Claudette is in full charge, of course, because she's my sister. We don't live in Jamaica. So if she live in Jamaica, and she have to run up and down, bye-bye. Me give her the money. She is responsible for get the goat, the chicken, and the pig. Me don't live there. And she responsible for go Lindsay go buy the season and buy what she want to buy. Yeah. Me responsible.
In 2 miles, take exit 54A for West Main Street toward Hopkinton.
What is it normally should talk? Talk what? What is to talk about? Me never keep nothing. Me don't know my family. Me don't know my family on WhatsApp for send it to. It wasn't no community. But once news fly, and Claudia tell few people, everybody come. The children them show up because them things say they thought that him bunks about was down there. Look how the children them surely came out. They must have thought that bunks about was there, but me never I wasn't keeping no charity. I was keeping my family. I was calling all my family to come together and come eat something. Me never keep nothing for the children, but the children them came out. You understand? I bought ice cream and cake for dessert, and they came out and they get them food. And Claudette bought the little tiny plate them for them, the little small cup plate I'm sitting, and the big one for the people them. But I wasn't keeping no bunks about. And a bunks about time. Me telling already, say anytime I do anything again from now on, it's my family stuff. I'm changing it to family cookout. And the community is welcome to come. But from now on, there will be no more charity, honey. It will be all turned into an annual family